Hello, hello, hello. Yogesh, good morning. Okay. Uh, Today's topic is a fifth model. I think according to the class, this is the last model. In the main exam, you have two questions. It means comes from the one model. Okay. But as I've also joined. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay. But as I. Hello. Okay. Good morning. Okay. 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 Hello. But as I. Hello. 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 Okay. Okay. My voice is audible to you, everyone, no? Okay. 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 So this is a fifth model. So in this model, I think in the main exam, two questions will comes for the main exam. Okay. So you have a choices there. So one question came from the nanomaterial, and one more question came from the microscope. So both are easy topic according to me. Okay, those who are means microscope means it is I think few of them, many of the students they have studied in the PUC science. Those who have taken the science and all. No? I think diploma students maybe I don't know, but in the PUC students they have studied about the microscope and all. So instead of the theory part, because here the 4 to 5 I think diagrams are there with explanation, advantages and applications. It is easiest way to get the marks. Okay, this is one of the topic is one of the topic is it is a very easiest topic to you people to get the good marks in the final exam. So because of that reason I am going to be selecting the microscope, optical microscope, the model name. So you can able to see in the syllabus also two are there, means nanometal topic is there as well as the microscope is there. So here I would like to say one thing. Why I am chosen this topic only? Because only hardly 6 concept is there. Okay, out of 6 concept for your exam, 4 concept will comes. Okay, I am not sure about the which other topics comes for your exam, but I am sure about that 4 out of 6 the 4 diagrams will be comes for your exam. So if you prepare all the 6 diagrams, definitely will get the full marks. Because of that reason, there is not a much complicated or much syllabus. This is one of the less and the least syllabus. So because of that reason, I chosen for the this is the best model for the examination purpose. Okay. So I would like to come to the topic. So generally we would like to explain before discussing the concept. We would like to explain what is microscope. Okay, what is the meaning of microscope, what is history of that, what is the application of that. Okay, how it is benefited to the mechanical biological department. So that we are going to be studying one by one. So fifth model, microscope. I think I hope you can able to see the slide also. It is very clearly. A microscope from the Greek, I think from the ancient Greek. Okay, whatever the microscope word is there. Okay, this is now you can call it as an English word. How this word came? Because of the Greek word. Okay, Greekans are they are going to be used the microscope. Micros means small, and scopian means to look or see. Means small to look, in the sense microscopic in the sense small. Micros means small, scopian means to look or see. Okay, very small object you can able to see. Microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. Which are the objects do not see by the naked eye? Means it is not possible to the open eyes. It is not possible to without using the glasses and all, lenses and all. Okay, you can't able to see the object. That objects we call it as a micro micro objects. Okay, for example, when means in the PUC science and all biology lab we are having, in that we have a microscope will be there. I think many things, yes or no? I think we call as a microorganisms and all. Okay, so different structure of that, everything will going to be studied in the with the help of the micro, because it is only possible to see only in microscope. Okay, without microscope we can't able to see that object, or what are the structure, whatever the movement of that was nothing. You can, without microscope it is can't possible. So then how the microscope is very important for the mechanical engineers, yes or no? Why we have to study? This is also one of the very interesting topic. Okay, first we need to understand a microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. This is called as a microscope. I hope you understand the meaning of microscope. Okay, second point is come to the history. What is the history? When it is started, who is going to be discovered? Okay, that I am going to discussing the 2 points. In the year 1590, in the year 1590, by Zacharias Janssen invented microscope. Actually, this is not a complete microscope. He has not discovered, invented. He invented using the started lenses, and he is going to be use the and finding and see the objects. Okay, it is not. It is 1590. Before also, in the 13th century also, they are using the lenses, different lenses they are used. Okay, then they are try to see the microorganisms, micro whatever the objects are there, that is going to be seen in the 13th century also. But actually in the year 1609, okay, in the year 1609, Galileo perfected the first device known as a microscope. What will happen? The Galileo, I think he is you heard this name, okay, Galileo. Okay, this person is going to be established or invented the microscope in the year 1609. Okay, so this is I think not important for your examination point of, at least for understand knowledge point of view you have to understand. Okay, while writing the, suppose in the exam maybe they will ask define microscope. Okay, explain the, I think whatever optical microscope, and this kind of questions will come for the main exam. Okay, so definition is very important. Please be prepared for the definition and be understand the meaning of the microscope. Okay, so shall I move forward to the second slide? So definition of the microscope. Microscope is an optical instrument used for viewing very small objects such as mineral samples or animal samples or plant samples, plant shell samples, typically magnified several hundred times. Okay, so this, I think this is the best way of definition. It covers everything. Okay, an optical instrument consisting of a lens or combination of lenses for making a enlarged image of the minute objects. Okay, so in exam they may ask what is microscope or define microscope. You should be right. It is an optical instrument used for viewing a very small objects such as mineral samples or animal samples or plant cells samples, typically magnified several hundred times. So this definition you have to write. Means what is the meaning of this? Optic means light. Okay, it is one of the light means optical. Optical means lenses. Okay, whatever the lenses, optics means opticals means lens. Okay, glass used for viewing very small objects. We are using microorganisms, or you can say as animal plant cells, or you can whatever the plant cells, animal cells, plant cells, such a mineral samples, many things we are going to be seen. Okay, by using the whatever the telescope, or you can call as a opticals typically magnified several hundred times. What will happen here? So whatever the opticals we are going to use, optical instruments we are going to use, What is the use of that? It is going to be typically magnified several hundred times. What will happen if the object is there? You cannot able to see by the naked eye. If you use the microscope, you can able to see. What is the reason for that? The teleoptical, what will happen? Optical instrument is going to be whatever the object is there into 100%. Whatever the into multiplication of 100 times is going to be enlarged, and you can able to see the clear picture of the object. So this is the main function of the microscope. This is the main objective of the microscope. Okay. I can say this much of the microscope introduction class. Okay. So you people, I think don't want to spend much time over here. Okay. One of the easiest topic it is. Okay. I hope you're understanding, everyone. Shall I move forward to the microscope next? Okay. So very important role, very important concept, very important slide. Okay. I came with a new slide is applications of microscope. I am discussing the introduction of the whatever that microscope, introduction of the microscope, whatever the how it is, then history, everything we discussed, definitions and all. And very important role other than this. So this is very important role, applications of microscope. What is the application? What purpose we are going to use? What is the role of that? The main application of microscopes is scientific research. Okay, the main application of microscope is scientific research. So we are using microscope for the scientific research because we need to do some new research. Okay, especially why I am mentioning scientific research means we have to use either maybe it's see here scientists, those who are I think research fellows and research peoples, they will be use the microscope for the new things searching purpose. Okay, and second application is we use them in biology to study cells with optical and light microscopes. So we are using, I think maximum percentage of microscope we are using in the biology department. Okay, use them in biology to study cells with optical. Biology means it comes both botany as well as geology. Okay, so biology in the sense I think in the plant cells, the combination of biology means is a combination of plant cells as well as animal cells. So we call it as a biology. Okay, we use them in biology to study cells. Okay, hello, Bade Sahib. Hello, Bade Sahib.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Any problem with it?
No, sir.
Slide is appear to you
Actually,
clearly.
yes, sir. The sliding has a blurring.
Okay,
That's why
not
I have.
okay, not clear this slide.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, now now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no
It is
problem.
clear, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We use them in a biology to study cells with optical light microscopes. Okay, we use them in biology to study cells with optical light instruments, light microscopes. Okay, so we are using to study the cells. Okay, so before means if we not use the microscopes, we can't able to see the cell structure. We are having the syllabus in the high school level, the plant cell structure, I think animal cell structure, everything will be there. Okay, plasma membrane, chloroplast, mitochondria, everything we are going to study in the plant as well as animal different cells. Okay, these are all cells. Actual structure we can able to draw with the hand. How it possible? With the help of the microscope, we can able to discover all the points, all the parts of that. Then only you can able to say that this is a design, this is a shape of the, this is a structure of the mitochondria, and this is a way of chlorophyll, chloroplast. We can able to say when it is only possible with the help of the microscope. And third one is develop nanotechnology like carbon nanotubes with electron and scanning probes. These are the materials. So continuously research and development. Okay, continuously effort of the scientist, they came developed with the nanotechnology like carbon nanotubes. Okay, so nanotechnology means we know that nano cars is famous, is popular. So means it is a very having a less space, less space, and you can able to rotate in any directions like that. Okay, continuous effort of the research and development it will be going to be get in the like carbon nanotubes with electrons and scanning probes. That these points will be there. I will discuss in the I think next third or fourth slide will be there. I will explain clearly. The fourth application is pathology to understand how diseases work. Okay, pathology to understand how diseases work. This is also very important. Okay, those who are studied about the disease, no, the scientific word is there, the medical word is there, that is a pathologist. Okay, even those who are working means in the mechanical, how you going to work in the machine parts, you call as a machine mechanical, no? Like that only. Those who are working about the study about diseases, okay, those who are study the related diseases work, no, that we call as pathologist. Pathology to understand how disease work. If so, for example, nowadays corona is one of the disease, yes or no? This is a virus, a very means dangerous virus to affected the throughout world. So how you going to observe, means how you going to identify the virus characteristics, what is the structure of that, okay, what is the lifestyle, okay, how it going to be, what is the means everything we need to study. Means it is a very important thing is that, so it's a very important thing is that pathologist and with the help of the microscope. This is also one of the application of the very important application of the microscope. When comes to the mechanical, okay, mechanical object surface examination. So this is very important. Please, I will repeat once again. Mechanical object surface examination. Mechanical object surface examination in the sense, so many I think material we are going to use in the mechanical field. Okay, so we don't know about the atomic structure, crystal structure, what is the surface, how it is, okay, how the atoms are going to be how the atoms are going to be arranged. Okay, so we can't able to see that. Whatever that we need to understand, no, that we call as a surface examination. Okay, we need to know that, we need to understand that, we need to came to know that what is the surface of that, what is the crystal structure of that, how the atoms are going to be arranged, everything, etc., many things we have to understand from the microscope. That we call as a surface examination. Means mechanical object, not only biology, not only the I think we call it as a pathologist. Okay, so we are going to be used and the mechanical object surface examination. Sorry. Okay, mechanical object surface examination. For the purpose I am going to use the application of microscope. When it comes to the last point, understand the crystal structure of the object. Okay, understand the crystal structure of the object, that only. So these 2 points comes in the same comes in the mechanical object only, because surface examination means you can able to see the how the surface will be there, that is also there. Then and after that, crystal structure, how the crystal structures, how the atoms are going to be arranged, how the crystalline, okay, body centered cube and something we are going to study in the material science. That crystal structure we need to study, we have to use microscope. I hope you understand the application of the microscope and definition of microscope, history of microscope we have discussed. Okay, so shall I move forward to the next slide? So first topic. Okay, so this is optical microscope. Okay, so what I am going to discussing, this is a general basically a microscope applications and we are discussing. So this is one of the very important topic for you, optical microscope. An optical microscope creates a magnified image of an object specimen with an objective lens and magnifies the image furthermore with an eyepiece to allow the user to observe it by the naked eye. Okay, so what will happen here? Optical microscope means if you from the PUC background, no need to take time to understand. Okay, you will understand very short time. But those who are not from the PUC background, you people have to understand clearly. So I will show the image of the, I think, microscope. You people understand very clearly. See, this is image is very important. Okay. First, okay, I would like to see the image. Then I will go for the definition. Once we understand the definition, we come for the explain the components of the, I think, whatever the microscope. Okay. Optical microscope creates a magnified images of an object specimen and object lens and magnifies the image further more with the eyepiece. What will happen in the microscope if the object is without lens or without opticals, we can't able to see the image. Okay, that object that I want to see inside the whatever the parts of that, whatever the structure of that, means what we will do, we have to use the microscope. So microscope main function is that it magnified in the sense it is going to be increasing the structure. It is multiplied of the whatever the image is there, it is going to be nearly 100 times, 100 to 1000 times it's going to be multiplying that with the help of the lenses. So then you can able to see with your naked eye with the help of the microscope. Okay, this is the main function of the optical microscope. We are going to use as a light as a source over here in this microscope. If you keep inside in the dark, okay, without light, we can't able to see the object. Okay, if light is very important to if you want to see the object. Okay, so with the help of that microscope, so that's what the combination of light and microscope is called as a optical microscope. Clear? Okay, so this is, I hope you understand, because we are going to use the lenses. We are going to use lenses are the main function is going to be magnifying the object. Okay, once it is magnifying, once it is increasing the structure, once it is multiplying the whatever the object, okay, then you can be able to see the naked eye. So comes to the diagram. This is a very, I think, important image for your examination point of view and understanding point of view. First, I would like to explain the parts. Okay, what are the components are there here? Have you seen this kind of microscope anywhere?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Where you have seen?
Biology lab, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, then you will understand very clearly. Okay, muted. See here, optical microscope is there. So this is eye. Okay, see I'm cursor I'm using. Okay, see here, eye is there. It comes from the left side. This is the eyepiece. Okay, and this is a body tube. Okay, this part you call as a body tube, and this is eye piece, and this is objective turret. So here, see here, 1 2 3 means objectives are there. These are the main objective turrets, and this is the main platform or stage, or you can call it as a platform. And here the condenser is there, and here a lamp is there, light, and this is a base part. Once again, eyepiece, body tube, object turret, objective stage, condenser, lamp, base part. Okay, and come to the right side here, slide with the specimen here, supporting these things here. If you want to keep the object on the above the glass surface, you have to keep the object, then whatever the glass is there, you have to fix it with the help of the slide. Okay, slides are there, slide with the help of the clippings are there. Okay, for that knob or the other clips, you have to fix that slide. With the above the slide, we are going to fix the object. Okay, slide with specimen, and this is the arm will be there. You can call it as a C shape. Okay, you can able to, for the means if you want to whatever that bend, or if you want to slide this slide and you want to pick and place for the purpose, we are going to use it as a arm. Because of that, we are having the space for the holding purpose, that we call it as a arm. And comes to the one more knob is there. Two knobs are there. One knob is fine focusing knob. Okay, fine focusing knob, and one more knob is there, that is a coarse focusing knob. Two knobs are there. Okay, these are the main components of the optical microscope. Okay, this is a very important components. If one more question, okay, one more means everyone hand mind will be there. So if the exam they will ask, explain with the working of the optical microscope, and it's mentioned it's a application, disadvantages and advantages of the optical microscope. This type question comes, it is a 7 to 8 marks question. Okay, definitely comes no doubt in that. This is a fixed question for exam. Only 6 diagrams are there. Out of 6, 4 of them will comes for the exam. If you prepare the at least 5 diagrams, definitely you will be get the 100 means full marks you will get. Okay, don't skip, even don't lose the single marks from this model. So you have to prepare it in all the diagrams. So whatever related diagrams are there, that you have to you have to discuss. Okay, in the means you have to thoroughly you have to understand. Okay, so hello Bade Sahib,
Yes, sir.
are you able to understand the components of optical microscope? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. Whatever the remaining, this is the last model. Okay, another 5 to 6 class I going to be to finish this. Okay, so no problem. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thanks for the attending.
Okay,
We
sir.
will going to be close the today class. Okay, so thanks for attending the
Okay, thank you,
class.
sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Huh?
Thank you, sir.